Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. Sorry. Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. So this is Nene, Nicole or Jheri, and today we're going to be trying to coil medium Helen's hair, Lagos Helen. We're going to be trying to coil her hair from a 4C to this springy coil. I'll show you the picture on the thumbnail and I'll also show you at the end of this video. So I once tried to do this on my hair by myself and it did not turn out great because I couldn't coil my hair properly. I couldn't take off the rollers properly. So I'm going to try again to experiment with Helen's hair. I first saw this on Nene Agan's friend's channel, and her channel's name is bliss.b. You could check that out. And then I thought it was beautiful and I said I was going to try it on my hair, but it did not turn out the way I wanted it to turn out. So today again I'm here trying to do it again. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like, share this video, share the link to this video, and comments. Also binge on our other contents. We have great contents, we have very interesting contents, we have a movie on the channel as well, so please do watch, indulge us. Thank you very much and thank you for tuning in. So let's get right into this video. Oh, big Helen, come and show yourself. Medium Helen, I mean, hurry up, don't waste your time. So this is Lagos Helen and look at her hair. So we're going to be trying to turn it into something prettier today. For this experiment we're going to be needing this comb, and
this coilers.
Yeah, so usually I was supposed to use, when I did mine, I used the very small perm rods, and but I don't have them here, so I'm going to use this today and then I'll try to maneuver. Helen is here, come and sit. So for the first you're first going to wash the hair with the Perm Kids shampoo and make the hair damp. So first of all, we're going to have to wash the hair and make it damp, and then section it into 4 parts as though you're applying, I was going to say fertilizer, as though you're applying relaxer. So her hair is natural, it has not received any chemicals before, just like mine.
Like mine.
Yes, like Nikki's. So this is what I'm doing. Sorry. So once you've cut that into 4 sections, you just pack them up and then begin the application of the cream. So I have sectioned the hair into 4 sections. I'm going to begin with applying the cream on this section. Let's hope that the quantity that we have here is going to be enough, else she's going to be carrying half hair. So this is the cold wave cream. So I'm supposed to be wearing gloves, but I'm a hard guy, so it don't matter. So I'll just put that. Yep. And in case you did not know, this thing smells like ammonia. If you remember ammonia from chemistry lab, that is what this smells like. I should be wearing a mask. Get me a mask from my bag. Okay, so I'm going to coil in now on this. This feels like forever since I coiled hair. I'm not sure I know how to place it properly again. So I forgot that this thing actually comes with a stopper, this perm rods. So I'm going to put that there to hold this in. Okay, I'm going to just lock that in there, lock it, and throw away the key. So I'm going to do that. This is easier now because I've done it the first time. And then I use the stopper. Okay, my daddy assistant. There. Look.
The stoppers are not plenty.
Let me have a rod. Elaine, you're showing a different thing. You're showing those scatter there. So lock that in. So in order to allow for the cream to enter into the hair properly, you have to do this. You have to knead the hair properly. Knead it. Knead. You can see how smooth it looks now. Look how smooth it is. So that means the chemical has worked its magic. See the length of her hair. Length check. See how long it is. Look how long it is. Remember what it looked like at the beginning of this video. So guys, midway into coiling the hair, we ran out of the rods, the perm rods or whatever they are called. So I had to improvise. So I decided to use threads. Can you see that thread? So I'm going to use it to do this like this. All the way down, very loose ties. And then, can you see that? I don't know what this is going to be like, but I'm guessing it's going to turn out very springy, because this is like a method that is used while when braids are being made. If you're trying to make your attachment coily or springy, they usually use thread. Sometimes, other times they use rods and other bending materials. So I'll show you the progress when we're done. So we're done placing the rods on the hair. The next step we're supposed to do is to cover it with a cap. Well, apparently I used the cap. Not apparently, I actually used the cap when I did mine. So, and even at that, because of these rods, the cap wouldn't have fitted into her head or onto her head. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this to cover the hair. So this is supposed to just we're supposed to cover it for 20 minutes. So let it sit for 20 minutes. Yep. Raise the head up now. She's trying to form pretty for you people. Ugly girl.
Oh.
So this is supposed to sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to unlock one, like take out one from the road, and then see if it has worked its magic. I hope you're still there. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, thank you. If you're wondering why I have my mask on, this thing smells. It smells like ammonia. Like the whole room smells right now. It stinks like a latrine right now. So we're going to wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we take out the rods, and then you have to. The next step says you should put a net over the hair like this, and then run water that has a lot of pressure over it. So this is a little bit disorganized because our rods are quite longer than they should be. We stayed for more than 20 minutes because at 20 minutes when I loosened one, it wasn't really as coily as I wanted it to be. So we stayed for 15 more minutes. So now I think that I'm satisfied with what it is right now, and I'm about to wash it. Okay, so now we are washing. I'm going to go off cam now so I can concentrate. So we're done washing the hair, and we've taken off the net. The next step says we should apply the dynamic curl neutralizer. So this is my really cute spray bottle from my sanitizer bottle. So I'm just going to spray that in all through the hair. So guys, this is what the finished look looks like. For now, we have just washed off the things we applied on the hair. Oh my god, I'm out of English for today. If you notice, these springs are different. This is the one we used thread on, and this is the one we used the rods on, and this one fell out of the rod, so that's why you have it there. I'm going to twist it and it will be like this. So what I learned is that next time I'm going to do this, I should use thread because I think I prefer these coils, and I should also cut them into smaller bits. Smaller bits are actually nicer to make the hair fuller. So right now this is what it is. Look at her very full natural hair. Look at what it has turned to. So if you're she's feeling herself. So there's supposed to be an activator in the pack, but I think I've misplaced it somehow. So I'm going to use this gel. This is what is it called? What's the cover? This is it. Charming pomade. Well, it's the gel that we use to control edges over here. I'm going to have to make do with this, so I'll just put it over my hand. This is supposed to hold the coils in place. It's an activator. It's supposed to be an activator, but I don't have white gel, and I don't have the gel that came with this container, so I'm just going to use this. So let me leave this like I said I will. There you go. So I hear this can last. This only works for natural hair, I should state, and this can last for up to 6 months. Look at that. Look at that. So this can last for up to 6 months, and you can style it however you want to style it, and your hair can return back to its original state of being natural and kinky, and that's the word for natural hair, and kinky. So your hair can return to its natural state after a couple of weeks, or after 6 months at least. It's a gradual process, so it will go back to its original stage gradually. And if you do not want to relax your hair just yet, and you're in the natural hair gang, you can do this. It softens the hair. It's a texturizer, like I said earlier. So there you have it. When I learn how to style, I will style the hair. That's Nicole shouting in the background. She's seeking for my notice. but I'm not going to answer because I'm talking to you guys. So please, if you're still here, subscribe, like, share, comment, and binge on my other content. And I'm going to put my own attempt at curling my hair after this. So enjoy and drop a comment. Bye guys.